I found something.
Oh shit, chips! S-D-A-P-I-P-D-P-I-S-P-D-P-S-P-I-D-P.
Do you want to see it?
No.
Woo! These drawings sure are pretty.
What you doing, Lucas?
Looking at art. See?
What does art do?
I think it's supposed to make you feel happy. Does it?
What? What the fuck?
I'm sorry, I need to drop something.
Mostly I feel hungry. Gotta go eat. Bzz.
I guess flies don't like art. Hey, I have an idea.
Fine. You forgot to move the car out. Hey! Yeah, hey!
What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck? Oh, you see that? That is a real fucking joke. You think this fucking joke? Get your hands off of me.
I will not.
I said get your hands off of me. You back the fuck up.
All right.
Every silver lining has a cloud.
It makes me feel happy.
Okay.
Coming. Yes.
For a guy in a suit, you're pretty fucking stupid. Fuck you! I didn't become a billionaire by being an idiot. I have 4 degrees.
Don't let your kids watch it. Before you know it, they're going to be eating sports candy and moving and running and jumping and dancing and being healthy.
Fuck you! You can't kill Suction Cup Man. Look at me go.
Well, son of a bitch.
Shut your fucking mouth! No problem, Charlie. Shut the fuck up, you cunt!
You bad little